That's a motorhome. Why do I want a motorhome? Because of the power plant. It's a 454 with a turbo 400 transmission. It's an 80-something model. Evidently, the roof leaks, the floor is rotten, and it's gutted. Allegedly, the motor runs. So that's going to be the job today, is get this running. Can we drive it? I know on the last video I said, let's drive this Ram Charger. No drive shafts. If you want to watch that, it'll be like up here or here, somewhere up in this general area. I'll put a little black bar that has words on it at the top of the screen. And yeah, no, bad drive shafts in that video, but let's just try to drive this one too. And on top of it being a one-cut video, I'm also only going to use my Leatherman for tools. That's the only tools I'm going to have. At least I'm going to try it. Comment below right now. Do you think I could do it? I don't know. Let's see. That's a challenge. But anyway, let's see if we can get it to move under its own power out of this spot, if nothing else. I appreciate you tuning in. Let's get right into it. Welcome to Tree Row Rescue. All right, so here is the Champion. That's what it says. Yep, it's an RV. Let's go back in here, into the door. We got rotted floor and stuff in it. Hey, look, we got some cabinets up there. Let's see if I can get you over there to it. There's some cabinets. What do we got over here? Yep, spider webs galore. Let's walk in. Let's walk in. Mind you, you're still on a tripod. So, there's that unit. Let's go back here. What we got back there? A lot more of the same. No ceiling. Floor's rotten over here. Okay. Oh, God, I hope this isn't too jerky. I may have to edit this out if it's too jerky. Don't want nobody to get motion sickness. But anyway, there's the inside. Let's get right into it. Now I'm going to run around often. Let's put you right here. And then let's point you down. Because there's the unit that we're going to have to get to. Spiders. Brown recluses, it's time to get out. There's a stick. Here we go. Yeet! Okay. I mean, the dash is phenomenal. How do you open this? Oh, it's already somewhat open. The carpet screams 1970s. Get out of here. Back there. All right, yep. That is, in fact, oh no. We got dirt daubers. We got crap all in the carburetor. Ooh. If this does run, it ain't gonna run good. I'm guessing. Well, let me bring you over here to just take a peek, see at this. So there's our 454. You know, it ain't an Oldsmobile motor or the Tornado, the Olds Tornado, because the intake. So 454 power plant. Looks like it leaks like a sip. Is that the right way to say that? I don't know. But anyway, let's dig right into it. All right, critters, it's time to go away. It's been rebuilt before, evidently. It's got a lot of orange on it. This didn't come with orange paint. But it looks factory, it looks complete. We got an alternator, we got a carburetor. We have a fuel filter right here. That's cool. Oh no, does that mean the fuel pump don't work? Well, that's okay if it don't, because you know why? I thought ahead. And I have one of those electric fuel pumps, you know, and a gas can. So, we can finagle this. That's okay. What else do we got to do? Oil. Let's check for oil first. Where's the dipstick? Oh, it's way out there. Okay, well, this is going to be kind of a hard of a one cut. I tell you what, I'm going to set up, well, I already have a camera set up out there just for audio because phone audio isn't all the greatest. So let's walk out there and check the oil. There's the other camera. Hi, I don't even know if I'm in. So let me make sure that I'm even in the screen here. Oh yeah, I'm definitely in the screen. So that's cool. I didn't even intend at all to use this camera, but it looks like I am. Do we have keys? And it's side post. I didn't bring a side post battery. Okay. Oil. Isn't the oil out here? I don't know anything about RVs, okay? I just don't. Is that open? Yeah, that's open too. Ah! Spiders. Engine oil fill is out here. Where's the engine oil check? There it is. We got oil. And it's over full, so that's great. Tells me that it burns oil. Yep. Over full. And this has been sitting for a couple years, allegedly. Could be more than that. There's a lot of spider webs and mold. It definitely smells moist. Get back in there. Okay, so we got engine oil. That's fine. What else we got? Oh, people's leaving. We got a PA horn. So that's cool. Wonder if that works. That'd be cool, huh? All right, let me go back inside. I mean, there's not a whole heck of a lot. We can throw a battery in here. It's not like I can hook it up. I got to figure something out with that. Like I said, I only got a Leatherman. But I did bring a battery. Are all of these positive cables? Okay, get there. Positive cable, positive cable, positive cable, and I'm guessing that those are grounds. I don't know if that's positive or not. We're going to let the smoke out today. All right. Maybe not. Maybe not. Let's come back up here. I got to figure out a fuel system. Yo! So, I'm looking at the transmission fluid that's all over the place here. Oh, and that's full. Free transmission fluid. I guess I paid for it. Empty transmission fluid bottle, but a set of jumper cables. I should be able to use these to hook my top post battery up to side post connectors. Why side post, GM? For hood clearance. Put the battery lower in the engine bay. That's all I'm saying, okay? Like, why you gotta go and do side post battery? Ain't nobody else do side post. Ridiculous that I'm aware of. Maybe a newer car has side post. I don't know. So, battery hookup. I have jumper cables. We have engine oil. Is this stuck? I kind of don't want to open this. It's not stuck, so that's good. Fuel system and battery. Let's do that. Oh man, I forgot my gas jug way over there. Let me go run and grab it real quick. It's over here by my vehicle. My gas is over there. Let me go grab it. Run. So anyway, I know the last video that I did that was a one cut, people seem to like it. And if you're seeing the second one cut video, what else do you want to see in one cut? I also do Tree Road Range, which is on the channel. Hear me out. That's where I shoot guns and see what car parts and what all is bulletproof and stuff like that. But I got my gas jug over here. I'm coming back. I'm back. I'm hurrying. We got petrol. Now, oh, dude, I totally forgot to grab my jumper cables because I'm just going to jump into it. I mean, I plan on rebuilding this engine anyway, so we're just going to jam the starter into the flex plate. That seems like the healthy thing to do. Thank you for providing, Champion. Jumper cables, that's fantastic because I didn't even think about it being side post. Hence why I brought a top post. Maybe it doesn't have an alternator. I mean, it's got one, but does it work? I don't know. Okay, are you touching? No. Do these even work? No, they're gritty. Let's see if they work. Does the battery even have charge? Because I don't even have a multimeter. I hope we get spark. This is an 80s model, so it's HEI. I got sparkles. I didn't even look for keys. Let's hook this up anyway. Battery cable, battery cable, battery cable. Bam, bam, bam. I hope we don't burn down, because this don't look healthy. Is there hardware laying around somewhere? Hardware, because that would be better if I could just hook all this together, because I bet that goes to the starter. I gotta do all three of these. I don't know if I can finagle the bagel. Oh, that's not going to be a great connection. Okay, now negative. 1, 2, and 3. There's some hardware inside of that. Let's go look for keys. I didn't even look for keys. See, one cuts, you get everything, okay? Like, you ain't got time to make a plan outside of being behind the camera. Because I didn't have a plan. I'm just winging it. Shooting from the hip, if you will. Take your gas inside. I'm coming in. Anybody home? Ooh, does it have a refrigerator? Let's just not do that again. It's got a fridge. Oh, man. Oh. I don't ever want to do that again. I'm crying. Key. Oh, the key switch is on the floor. We got... Oh, there's a door over here. Open sesame! For the cheap, low price of $500, you can get a cabinet door. You can get another cabinet door. Or you can get a bigger cabinet door. Oh, dude, we got keys. Oh, you know what? I know what these keys are. So, none of these are vehicle keys. These are in the front seat here. These are to all the compartments outside and inside. So that's cool. And to some master locks that I don't have. So those can go back up there. And the key switch is in the floor here, covered in spider webs. Where did I throw my stick? Stick. It's gone. I need another stick. Do I have another stick? Oh, there's the breather. Now, why wasn't that on here? That would... Oh, there's a stick. I got another stick. Spiders. Bye. You're being evicted. Today's your last day. Yesterday was your last day, evidently. And today is your true eviction. You're being thrown out. Okay. Bye, stick. Probably going to need that again. Okay, here we go. And it's been drilled out. You can't see. Come here. Look. It's been drilled out. Do I have a title for this? Bring you back around. I think I got a title for this. Anyway, it doesn't matter. I just need the motor and transmission. Here we go. All right, so can I? I'm just going to do it. Leatherman, activate. Is that drilled out enough for me to stick the hole? I didn't even mean to turn it. I definitely don't have a good connection, but we got starter and we got power. So I gotta, how am I gonna do this? I don't have any hardware. I need vice grips is what I need. Maybe I can look around and find, do we have, why are things running? I don't want things running. No, turn off. You know what? I'll just use one of these keys here. Turn off all the way. It's just gonna, no. I don't want nothing running. I got vents running. Why do we have a blower motor? I need a plan is what I need. I need to make this a better connection. So what if, there we go, it's dead again. What if I just used, can I just use the one cable? Do I need all of these cables? Let's try this again. Coming back, oh God, I'm tripping. I'm tripping. I still hear the blower motor. Oh, it's working. Dude, it doesn't even gallop. People waving at me and whistling. Anyway, man, I like these one cuts because this might be the second easiest revival I've ever done. I need to keep doing this. One cut, easy. Now it's going to go downhill so fast. Let's just, for kicks and giggles, do we have spark? Let's throw some fire down the really dirty carburetor. Like, oh no. Let's flood it. Come on, easy now. Oh gosh. Get it all over the motor, that's fine. Leather person, as Derek would say. Here we go. No, it's not. I love big blocks. I'm so excited. I gotta hook up a fuel system. Like it's time already, and it didn't go. It didn't break the flex plate or any teeth off of it. It's free. I love this. This is what I live for. This is what I live for. I don't want to drain my battery. I don't know what's running. What is that? It's 100% the blower motor. Can I unhook that? I can. Fixed. If you turn a blind eye to it, it's fixed. Okay, so fuel. All right. I got some fuel lines here. Oh no, I just got fuel on me. And it's from my last revival. I got fuel on my crotch. And I can't use this fuel pump I used on the Ram Charger because it is way too strong for a simple quadribog. So what we're gonna do with the big wiggle. We're gonna take some fuel lines off of this. At this point, I don't even care if the fuel pump works. Like I said, I just want the motor, and we're gonna rebuild it, and we're gonna make it, don't tell my wife, but we're gonna make it powerful and put it in the Suburban. Why are we putting it into the Suburban even though it's running perfectly fine and there's nothing wrong with it? More power. I can build it. Come off of there. Yeah. Okay. Because why else? I mean, it doesn't run perfect. It doesn't work real good. It's just that it's lazy. She already knows it runs really good. I'll figure it out. Needs a new alternator. There we go. That constitutes a rebuilt motor, right? Yeah, it does. Yeah, it does. Oh no, my Leatherman just fell all the way down. I gotta pay attention. Jeez. Coming down. Oh God. Ow. Sand spurs. Listen, if you don't live in Florida or Texas or in the South in general typically and have very sandy areas, and if you don't know what sand spurs are, God bless you. Because they're the devil. And I got sand all in my Leatherman now. That looks like fuel line right here. So here, you know what we could do? After we get it running, hopefully it'll sit here and idle. I can hear if anything's happening here. Maybe we can use the factory fuel, not the factory fuel system, but the fuel pump maybe? Because it's down there. Okay. So I need this to go here. No, that's backwards. See, I hooked the wrong hose up again. And I ain't got a plan. I ain't got time to just sit back and be like, okay, this needs to go here, that needs to go there. That way I look like a total professional and exactly what I know exactly what I'm doing. No, I never know what I'm doing. I'm just guessing. Like I said earlier, just shooting from the hip. Yep. Oh, that plan didn't work? All right, let's try something different. I don't have a... Do I have a... I do have a... I got a hose clamp. Oh, my Leatherman's full of sand. You're getting a brake clean bath this evening if we make it home. Oh yeah, I gotta drive this. I hope it's got brakes. I hope it's got transmission. I hope it's got drive shafts. That'd be cool. I'm sure it's got that. I'm just gonna say that it does. And we're just gonna jam it in gear. Have a field day. Now, I will say that if we get this sucker moving, that'll be the only cut in the video is me pulling out of this home that I'm at right here. Okay? Because I don't, privacy. Some people are weird that's on the internet, okay? I mean, we don't have far to go. It's literally just a few miles. And it's all dirt roads. So that's cool. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull out of my gas jug here that I got from Rural King, pull the snout off of it. I probably shouldn't do that because I need to fill the bowl. We'll pump it enough. Maybe it'll pick up. And then shove this down inside the hole. Let me prime this up because that would be the intelligent thing to do. Get on there. Because these pumps are technically pushers, not pullers. So you kind of want to prime them up a little. And I have a snap-off battery. Let's see, negative. And then positive. Oh, I'm getting fuel up here into my fuel pump. Oh no, we're leaking. There we go. Now we're not leaking. Let's turn the crank. Is it gonna idle? It ain't gonna idle. This is. Thank you. I mean, this was y'all's idea. I just had the idea, and then y'all liked it. So this is easier than whenever I'm doing all the cuts. Shh. Don't worry, we do not have an accelerator pump. I'm gonna go outside now. Let's bring you over here. There's the doors. Can you see? A little bit. Okay. Find my fat up here. Look. I don't know what that is. Go down there. Ugh. Brake. Reverse. It's not happy about it. Let's go down to first. We do have gears. Let's check the fluid. What we got? It's empty. Okay. Transmission fluid it is. I don't have a funnel either. Well, this ought to be interesting. But here's a bottle. I got an idea. Let's bring you back out here. We're freaking running. I don't know if it's overheating or not. Meh. So we need fuel. Not fuel. So we need fuel. Not fuel. Trans fluid. And that's a little opening. Does this fit that opening? It'll go over the top of it. Bet. This is a metal can, so I really do not want to take my blade in here. So I'm just going to chew it away. Because we have a can or a bottle of transmission fluid. Maybe that'll be enough. Like I said, Leatherman. Metal can. Get that out of here. It literally, hey, a Leatherman's can goes right over top of your deal. That's so cool that it runs. It leaks oil too. That's fine. That's an empty one. Where's the full one? Here's a full one. There's another bottle up there. Maybe it's new too. Drink up. Look, I ain't spilling a drop. I never knew that a Leatherman's bottle, you know, because it's got that plastic lid on it, or top, fits right over it. It's fantastic. Oh, that one's empty too. I don't have any more with me. You know what? We're just gonna send it. How much fuel do I have? Plenty. Let's start her up again. Do I have a leak? I do have a little leak here. right over top of it. That's fantastic. Now I gotta move my stuff out of the way. Be right back. Well, so far I've got brakes. I've got not a lot of fuel, but like I said, we're not going far at all. Here I is. So it ran, it drove, it didn't like to get out of second gear, but luckily we only had to go a couple blocks. It's fine. And it's home. And I found, because I heard a noise as I was pulling out, and I go, what was that? Well, I lost a window, so that's cool. But I don't care about that. This thing is, it would take far more money to restore this than this vehicle is worth. And I'm all about budget, okay? So what we gonna do is, look down here to me. There we go. What we gonna do is we're gonna yoink that powertrain out, rebuild it, and make it better, faster, and stronger than ever. And it sounds like it's overheating. I hear. But anyway, I appreciate you tuning in. I hope you like this episode. If you don't mind, like, comment, subscribe, all the things. And yeah, we are home with it. Stay tuned for the build, because there will be a build on this, on the motor. I appreciate you hanging out, and we'll see you next time right here on Trio Rescue. God bless you, and may God be with you, and have a wonderful day. And happy Thanksgiving. See ya.